Hi friends, in this video I'll talk about which function in R. So today I'll discuss firstly the functioning of which function and then we will see how which function works with vector. So which function in R returns the position or the index of the value which satisfies the given condition. That means whatever condition we are passing inside the which function, it matches that condition with the given object, and then according to the condition it returns the position of the elements. So today I am going to discuss which function on the vectors. So for understanding that, firstly we are creating a vector and then we will see how which function works with vector. So for the purpose I have created a vector here with the 5 elements. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter to execute this vector in R. So you can see it is successfully executed. Now say for example, if I want to check with the help of which function that is any element inside the vector V is 2. If yes, so what is the position of that element? So now I'm pressing Ctrl Enter. So it is returning us 3. So that means in the vector itself we can see that 2 is situated at third position. So that way which is returning us the position of 2. Now say for example, if I'm passing one more condition here, that is suppose I have written that is any element in V is greater than or equals to 5. So return us the position of those elements. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Enter and then you can see it is returning us 2 and 4 as the condition was greater than or equals to 5. So we can see here that there are two elements. First one is 5 and second one is 8. So the position of these two elements is 2 and 4 in the vector V. Similarly, if we are creating any vector of alphabets, in that case also we can use which function. Say for example, here I have written a vector B with the 4 elements. Now I am executing it in R. Now say for example, if I want to find that any of the element in vector B is A, if yes, so what is the position of that element which I need to find here. So that way I am pressing Ctrl Enter and in the output you can see it is returning us 1. Similarly, if I want to check whether any element in the vector B is suppose G or not. If G is stored in B, so what is the position of that? We are asking this from the help of which function. So in the output or in the console window, you can see R is returning us integer 0. That means there is no element as G stored in vector B. So that way which function can help us to find the index or position of any element according to the situation we are giving or we are passing inside this which function. So friends, I hope this way you have understood the working of which function with vectors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.